On behalf of WHAS 11 and LG&E and KU, I want to give a big congratulations to Miss Cindy Hundley on winning the ExCEL Award this year.
I am so happy to be here today to recognize Miss Hundley and all the work that she has done for 29 years here at Gutermuth Elementary. 29 years.
Cindy, you are a model of what a lifelong professional educator is. You hold yourself to the highest learning and performance standards.
She only knows one speed though, and that's full throttle, and she gives her all to her students. I always think about Cindy, she has the heart of a teacher and the soul of a librarian.
And so on behalf of everyone at LG&E and KU, it is my honor to present to you today an award for $1,000 to be here at school.
I want to challenge you to think about what interests you and what you can put in your pocket today that will help you be your best self tomorrow. Look around, go outside, read a book, learn from others, explore what you find interesting and put it all in your pocket. And in no time at all, you will find yourself making a difference in this world by doing what you love. Thank you again for this great honor. I will add it to my pocket and will use it to do my best to exemplify all the award represents. Thank you.